English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 conversion of time. Number 7, find the answer of the following question. Okay, find the answer of the following question. Then let 1 month equal to 30 days. Then express 10 years in days, and B 10 years 35 days equal to 3650 days standard. Okay, or also you can do this 10 year into 12 month into 30 days equal to 3600 days using for not proper, and express 1000 hours in month, day and hour. So 1000 divided by 24 hour in a day, that means 41 days and 16 hours. Then we can convert 30 days in a month, then 1 month 11 days and 16 hours. Thank you.